Hello and welcome again. In this video we'll make very simple circuit on our breadboard. So this is our circuit diagram, and as you can see from the diagram that we have used one 9-volt battery, a 220 ohm resistor and 3 LED. So our job is to place all these components on the breadboard, and then we will make connection according to the diagram. So first of all, I will go and I will search for the 9-volt battery, and then I will place it on breadboard. So how to find our battery? You can do that either by searching it from this section or directly by clicking on this search menu and just typing battery. You can go either way, okay? And then I will press enter, and the Fritzing will search from the library and it will show me the result. So here is our 9-volt battery. So how are we going to place it on our breadboard? So for doing that, I will click on this 9-volt battery and I will drag it and I will place it over here. Okay, so our 9-volt battery is here, but still it is not connected with our breadboard. So as you can see that this red wire is the positive terminal of our battery and this black one is the negative terminal. So okay, so now I will connect this pin of our breadboard with positive terminal of the battery and this pin of the breadboard with negative terminal of our battery. Okay, so now the next task is to place 220 ohm resistor on the breadboard, and then we'll connect positive terminal of our battery with one terminal of our resistor. So I will go again on the search menu, and then there I will type resistor. Okay, and then I will press enter. So here is our results. Here is our 220 ohm resistor. Again I will drag it and I will place it on the breadboard, and as you can see that the green color is showing that our connection of the connection of resistor with breadboard is done, but still it is not connected with the positive terminal of our battery. So for doing that, I will click on any of these holes. Okay, suppose I'm connecting this terminal of our resistor with positive terminal of battery. So as you can see that all these 5 holes are same potential, so it doesn't matter if I take wire from this point or at this point or this point or whatever. Okay, suppose I'm taking my wire from this point, so I will click on this hole and then I will move my cursor up to this point. Okay, similarly I can connect this wire with any of these points, because all these green colors means that all of them are same potential. So suppose I connect it here. Okay, so now our one terminal of resistor is connected with positive terminal of our battery. So next thing that we have to do is to place LED on the breadboard, and then we will connect another terminal of our resistor with LED. Okay, so I will go and search for LED. I will type LED and then I will press enter. So our result is here. I was looking for one red LED. Okay, so this is a red LED of 5 mm diameter. 5 mm diameter means that the diameter of pins of this LED is of 5 mm. Okay, so I will drag it and I will place it on our breadboard. Okay, similarly I have to place 3 LED on the breadboard. Okay, I have placed one and I have to place another 2. So okay, I can go and search for yellow LED or what else I can do is that simply I will go to inspector section, and then here is one color portion. Okay, I will click here and I will change the color from this directly. Okay, here's our yellow LED. Okay, so similarly I have to place 3 LED like this. Okay, so I will go and I will copy this and I will place it here. I'm sorry, okay, I'm sorry, excuse me. Okay, again I will place another LED. Okay, I will place one more. Okay, now I can change color of my LED the way I told you. Just go and click on particular LED and then change the color using inspector section. Okay, suppose I want the color to be green, so here is our green LED. Okay, so as we saw in the circuit diagram, that negative terminal of our resistor, basically resistors has no polarity. So if I'm connecting positive terminal of our battery with this terminal of our resistor, then that means that this one is positive terminal, and the one that is left will now become a negative terminal. Okay, so as you can see from the circuit diagram, that negative terminal of the resistor is connected with positive terminal of red LED. So I will do as it is in the circuit diagram. Okay, first let me zoom in so that I can show you clearly what I am doing. So I will click on this hole and I will drag my cursor, I will move my cursor and I will connect it with this point. This is anode because this pin is longer than this one, and you must know that in any LED the longer pin is anode, the positive one, and the shorter leg is cathode. Okay, so now our anode of red LED is now connected with one of the terminals of resistor, and our next job is to connect the negative terminal, that is cathode of red LED, with anode of yellow LED. Okay, so I will connect cathode of red LED with anode of green LED. Excuse me, I did a mistake. Okay, the cathode of red LED is connected with anode of yellow LED. Okay, and then cathode of yellow LED is connected with anode of green LED, and finally the green LED, the cathode of green LED is connected with negative terminal of our battery. So this completes the circuit. This completes our circuit. Okay, I will connect cathode of our green LED with our breadboard's negative terminal. So this completes our connection, and our breadboard connection is ready now. So congrats yourself that you have made your first circuit on breadboard using FreeDSync. So I hope that we'll be meeting in our next video, and there I will be teaching you about schematic view, and finally we will move on to PCB and we will design our PCB layout. Till then, bye bye and thank you.